welcome to my extreme closet clean out.
Gone. Let's get into the cream turtleneck sweater section. There's about 12 of them.
We're this in Aruba. Woo! If you know anything about me, you would know that this is long overdue. Sorry that this is like a weird setup and lighting situation because you're currently in my bathroom. My closet goes like off of my bathroom like this. So there's not really another way I can put you in here. I tried putting you up in Mac's side of the closet, but then you're like looking down on us. Maybe we'll move it there during the video. But I've employed my wonderful boyfriend to help me. Oh, your hat. He's gonna be really tough on me and make me let go of a lot of things. This is so long overdue. Like each section of my closet behind me, if you can see a little bit, is packed to the brim. And the reason I'm really cleaning this out is because I'm about to move out soon, so I just have to. Like I can't physically move with all that stuff. I've accumulated so much stuff. I'm so nervous to go through this right now.
Start throwing things away.
Okay, let's go. And I guess last thing I'll say, this is just purely for fun. Don't be like offended anyone. I don't know why this would offend anyone, but maybe it did. And I'm just really gonna be making piles of like give to my friends, donate, if it's like really stained or ripped or something, throw away, and then sell. So this would be a good time to plug my Poshmark because probably by the time this video is up, I have a bunch of stuff on there because I like already know we're gonna find stuff with tags on it that I've never worn. And if it's been sitting here for like a year, I should let it go. That's like that thing, didn't I tell you once I read that someone said to put all your hangers one way?
Told you that.
Oh, you told it?
I told her that.
You put all your hangers one way and then at the end of the year, hangers that are still that way, I mess it up. You put all your hangers one way.
Once you use it and then you flip it.
You flip the hanger around. So if any are still that same way, you know you didn't wear it in a year and like get rid of it. So let's get started. All we have to work with in here is these lights. So sorry if this is weird lighting, but okay, let's go. I put that there the other day because I wanted to like remind myself to wear it again. Remember I wore it when we were in Miami? Isn't it so cute? No?
If you like it.
Do you not like it?
I guess we'll hold on to
This video is going to be us fighting.
Okay, we'll keep that.
Yeah, that I wear. Yeah, like
bodysuits.
Yeah, Max doesn't like bodysuits.
Get rid of it.
What? I wore this like once. But
Poshmark.
Okay. Wait, why? This is just seeing if Max likes my clothes or not. Yes,
that's nice.
You got me that. This is what I was worried you were gonna say to you.
Gone.
There's tags on it.
Is it? That looks like another Alpha Feed dress.
I've never had a chance to wear this. I'm so sad. From Toby, I bought this like so long ago.
Gone.
I love this. Who remembers when I wore this in
also
Aruba?
gone. You have, I've seen 7 of those already. Same with this one.
I've just worn these. No,
Yes,
you're getting rid of everything.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What are the difference between these 3? Let's get into the cream turtleneck sweater section. There's about 12 of them.
Look at all the cream turtlenecks. I think all of them have foundation on them.
This is obviously a keeper.
He goes, is this inside out? Because it's like sheepy feeling.
We're cutting back on your sweatshirt consumption. So out.
I'm putting this over here to put it back on
That one
there.
can stay.
Wow! There's so much room in here. I need a little
We might
bit.
need to do round 2. Cut back again. So we'll go to the next section. Okay.
Now, t-shirts. Which one's that one?
Short sleeve.
Does anyone want this brown hockey shirt?
$20.
This one I really like.
You don't wear it.
I like it.
Gone.
I hate
This is horrible.
This is awful.
This is not going well at all. You're not getting rid of anything.
That was so good. Now they fit in there, pretty much. That's my I can wear it everywhere romper. Look where it's from. An Abercrombie and Fitch romper, and it fits me to this day. It's like the sister of the traveling romper. Now we're on the gray back here. We did all the dresses and the colors. I think we did a really good job. We did my little jackets down here, keeping pretty much all of those. You guys, remember my favorite? We're doing good so far, but what I was saying is, you guys, craziest thing happened. I literally do not know how this happened. Did like someone have access to my closet and return it? I don't know. But you guys remember, this is like my favorite sweater from Free People, and I was so confused how it went missing, and I was so upset. And then finally, I found it again online and ordered it, and I had it with me in Cape Cod. And then when I just got back to Boston and I hung this up, I was like, wait, what the heck is this? And suddenly, I guess the first one was found. I don't know where it came from, and they're also, you probably can't even tell in here, this one's a little bit lighter than this one. But they're both like size small Free People sweaters, and I bought the first one, couldn't find it, so then I bought it again. And now I should probably like sell one because they're both really nice, and now I have two, but I don't even know what one to keep. One's a little bit lighter. I think this is the new one and this was the first one I had.
I think I like the lighter one.
I think this was just the earlier version because I got this like 2 years before I got this, and I was so excited that I found this on Nordstrom. But isn't this crazy? Like, how did this one find its way back home? I don't know. You guys, this is pretty much the aftermath of my closet clean out. I would say I'm like 99% done. I guess I didn't really do shoes, but I don't have that many shoes. Like, I think this is a reasonable amount of shoes to keep. And if there's any that were like, okay, I really shouldn't keep these, I probably would just donate them, or if they were really dirty, I'd have to like throw them out, you know, because I don't want to, yeah, it's not like I would like sell dirty old shoes or anything. But this is crazy. There is so much in here. And even though I feel like it didn't make that much of a dent in here, it's still something, and a lot less that I have to move with and pack up. I feel like it doesn't look like there's any difference, but there really is. Obviously, there's quite a big difference. And in here, there wasn't really anything that I wanted to get rid of. It's mostly like my tank tops, leggings, bathing suits, sweatpants and stuff, and I clearly don't have that many. They fit in these little Alex drawers, so yeah, this is like pretty much it. I could like swim in this pile of clothes. Oh, obviously I switched my shirt. I got hot in the long sleeve, so I'm wearing a short sleeve. And sorry, the lighting just on this closet isn't good, so yeah, there's just that like bright fluorescent light above me. But I just really wanted to share this process. I don't know if I've really watched other people's closet cleanouts, but I feel like I see them go around YouTube, and I just knew that I needed an extreme closet cleanout, so I thought that this could be motivating for you guys. I feel like whenever I see anyone just cleaning, or like a cleaning montage, or just in a really clean space in their videos, it really inspires me. So yeah, hopefully this inspired you to maybe clean out some stuff. I was able to just go through some of it and give stuff to Taylor, stuff like that. Some stuff that was way too small on me anymore. I'm like, oh my god, sis, I can't breathe. You need this. So yeah, I think giving to friends, donating, selling if the stuff is like new and you're like, oh my gosh, why did I never wear that? Stuff like that makes a lot of sense. So yeah, I guess this is it for my extreme closet clean out. I guess in my mind it's extreme because this is so much stuff, but I still have a lot, so it's making me question things. I don't really know. I just have so many clothes, but it was a good step. I think there will need to be another closet clean out in the near future since I still have so much. So I'll be around 2 coming soon. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye.